Bedtime stories. A yummy treat. Once upon a time, in a faraway jungle, a jungle so far that it was not present on any map of the world, there lived 4 friends.
I'm Rafiki.
Cluck. Hello, Hippity Hop here. Cluck.
Ooh, oh, I'm Spiky Ooh.
Fox Arena, here.
There also lived Hedwig, a wise old owl with magical powers, and it was believed that he had come from the land of Man or Herminia. All 4 friends were happy until they got bored with the food that they ate every day and wanted some change.
Bored.
Hedwig performed some magic tricks and replaced meat and grass into saucy noodles and sweet chocolate for them for a few days.
Abracadabra.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum 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 yum.
They were happy with this change for some days until Rafiki and Foxy Rena lost all their teeth. Spiky lost her spikes and Hippity Hop lost his hop. They now understood the need of eating healthy food and to be happy with whatever has been given to them by nature. Hedwig reversed his magic, and all went back to normal once again.
Yum 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 yum.
Yum 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 yum.
Few questions to engage your child. Imagine you have a device that helps you turn fruits and vegetables into chocolate, pizza, noodles or any other food item. How often will you use this device? How do you think Rafiki and Foxy Rena lost their teeth? Spiky lost her spikes and Hippity Hop lost his hop. They now understood the need of eating healthy food and to be happy with whatever has been given to them by nature. What do you understand by this? For more bedtime stories, subscribe to our channel.